Justice Melody Stewart grew up in Cleveland with dreams of being a musician.
Well, fast forward a few years, and she is making history as the first black female justice elected to Ohio's Supreme Court. This as we celebrate Black History Month, and Leon Bibb shares her story.
I'm Melody J. Stewart.
She took the oath of office for the highest court in the state of Ohio. Melody Stewart is the 161st Justice of the Ohio Supreme Court, a historic moment marking the long way from her beginnings.
I solemnly swear. And the historical significance has its own set of feelings and emotions and responsibilities.
Stewart's accomplishments mark her as the first black woman elected to the state's highest court.
It was a timing of things, my ability to get across the state and be able to relay a message that resonated with people. And
at 57, Stewart reflects on her long route to the court. As a student at Beaumont, the all-girls Catholic high school in Cleveland Heights, she gave no thought to election campaigns or courts, but she did think.
Do whatever you're doing now well and continue to learn. You don't even know what you don't know yet because there's so many things out here.
Later, in college, Melody Stewart earned an undergraduate music degree at Cincinnati's Conservatory of Music.
But I love music too much, I think, to try to make a living at it.
Someone mentioned the law. That touched her heart. So it was back to school, law school.
If I had to do it over again, I would have done it the exact same way. The law degree is a very versatile degree.
A job as assistant law director in Cleveland City Hall. Later, law professor at 3 schools of law. In 2006, election to the Ohio 8th District Court of Appeals. Then the 2018 winning campaign for Justice of the Ohio Supreme Court. At the age of 6, Melody Stewart began putting her footprints on this street, Woodward Avenue, in Cleveland's Midtown section. It is a long way from here to the Ohio Supreme Court, but here began a little girl's dreams of possibilities.
As a 6-year-old kid running down Chester Avenue, that I would support the Constitution of the United States, going to a friend's house or going to school, all the duties incumbent upon me. I mean, you don't think about what are you going to do in life. As Justice of the Supreme Court of Ohio.
An inspirational story of a girl from Cleveland who grew into adulthood, wanting to serve and be the best she could be.
This I do.
This I do.
As I shall answer unto God.
As I shall answer unto God.
She said her route began on a road of preparation to where it intersected with the avenue of opportunity and the beliefs of those who voted for her.
And I'm determined to always remember their faith in my abilities and judgment.
This is but one story of supreme value of Melody Stewart, who is now an Ohio Supreme Court Justice. For Channel 3 News, I'm Leon Bibb.